Bomb.money is another Tomb fork that is actually doing great on the DeFi space. I made my first video about it, but there were no other features that were added here that are actually so far here. So we want to take a recap on this Bomb.money. So this is an algo coin pegged to the value of the BTC on a ratio 10,000 is to 1. Currently Bomb goes for $4, that is $4.02. Then you have the B shares which goes for $251 as of today. Then they are pegged to the value of the BTC, so they also have the price for the BTC in this site. The first thing that you can do is actually going with the farm. We have the Bomb BTCB, that is the Bitcoin on the Binance Smart Chain network. We also have the B shares and the BNB. You can check on that farm. You can also earn B shares by ACSI at the Maxi LPs. So there are other farms that actually been added here. The actual farm that was started with are these through the BTCB and the BNB. But there are these ones that have been added so far. Taking a look at the Bomb BTCB, these are the today's earnings. You can earn a 217% APR, which is 0.6% a daily, by pairing your BTCB and the Bomb token. This one will be rewarding you with the B shares. And then once you earn your B shares, you can now take them to the boardroom and start earning EMP from your B shares. For the high risk people, you can look into the B shares and the BNB. Remember, B share is so volatile, so the rewards here are now being increased for 67%, 1.28% on a daily basis. So if you want to go with the high risk, you can take a look on the pool for the B shares. These other farms, you can also take a look into them and see which one you actually like. Under the BTC staking, you can actually apply so that you can be accepted to participate in the BTC single asset staking. This one earns 104% APR. First off, you need to go to the staking part, just click stake, and then they will ask you to actually apply, give them the email. But this one, it's for those people who want to stake their Bitcoin with them. What I'll actually do is just have my Bitcoin paired with the B share, with the Bomb token, and now I can earn without having to provide my email to this project. Remember, we are dealing with the DeFi space, so there's no need for me providing an email when I'm dealing with the DeFi space. So I'll just stick to the farms and now the boardroom. When you go with the vault, with this one takes us to another auto compounder that can actually maximize our earnings. So we have our farms which rewards us with the E-shares. So what this vault does, it actually sells our E-shares and then pairs with the this LP token, deposits back into your vault, so it makes your rewards to be high. So it's an auto compounder that actually makes us to earn more money. When we take a look into the Bomb BTCB from the farms, we can see that these earnings are actually huge compared to the farms. Also the B shares, this is 13% APR. If you want to participate with the auto compounder, then the vault is where now you can take a look into. On the XBomb, this one is the governance token. So in the future, when you want to participate in the voting and have those voting rights, you need to be holding the XBomb token. The way it's pegged, one XBomb is equal to 1.3968 bomb token. So these are the earnings that you can actually get here by turning your bomb token to the XBomb, and now stake it here in the XBomb farm. That's it guys about this Bomb.money, an update about them. They also have their merchandise, so you can actually promote them by buying their merchandise from this site. So if you want to make some passive income, this is a project that you can take a look at. A very good Tomb fork. Just subscribe to this channel, turn the bell notification to get updates when you upload new videos. Peace guys.
Subscribe.